how to clear about history on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear about history on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings and scroll click on your profile here in the top and then just click about, and now all you need to do is just click these 3 points on the top and here you will find it, delete all, and then just click remove. That's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.